Today we're going to do it yourself kitchen part clean out, as well as doing new washers on the dishwasher tap. Thanks. So I've gone ahead and loosened it. We're just going to screw them all. And I have seen some really bad ones where they're completely blocked, full of rotten food. You can see debris hanging out there, and instantly I can smell the hard rot. You can see all that food debris. Drano does not clean everything through the pipes like some people think. And obviously this is a lot of bacteria, so make sure you wash your hands as soon as you finish touching them, and make sure you never get it in your face. Oh, the smell. Coming open. Don't touch, buddy. I forgot the bottom one to loosen it. Alright. That one's not as bad as the others. We'll go clean all them up. And then we're going to clean all the seat up as well, and both the tops. You could take these off as well, but these have just been replaced not long ago, so it is clean. Brass versus plastic. If you have a look, the little ring here should look like this. It's all flattened and busted, so we're just going to take that off, pop a new one on. So after prying the old one out, I'm just going to put the new one on. Like that. And this seal here is also split, if you can see. So we're just going to grab a new one of them out. It just looks like this. Good. That's about that, I think. Okay, and then we're going to put that back together. Make sure that you seat the end back in. So I might just quickly whack some plumber's tape around here. This stuff can be the biggest pain in the butt sometimes. Right, so that's what it should look like. Just gonna spin him up in that. And don't over tighten it. Right, so we're going to put some new thread up here. Before we put the top back on. Make sure it's not going inside. Put that. And the top of that is missing the front of that. I might just check this one. That's all still intact, as you can see. It all looks good. Get in there. I'm just going to nip that up. And it'll go. Again, make sure it's firm but not over tight, because when you over tighten them, you weaken all your rubbers and everything straight away. Right, and now we're going to put all the new clean hosing pipings back on and go from there.